All right, gang, check it out from TICARVE. I've got a fun little, and I do mean fun, cleaning supply. If you've ever seen any of the car detailing videos on social medias and them using that goo stuff to get the car's interiors clean, that is exactly what this putty is. Now, if you've never used this before, this is a pretty genius approach to lifting crumbs and dust and debris off of your car's interior. This operates kind of like a little bit of a slime toy, but the goal of it is as you use this, you pull it out, you lightly knead it together, you can kind of press it into the nooks and the crannies and it conforms to whatever you're pressing it against. Let it rest for a few seconds, pull it off, and as you slowly pull it off, it's gonna pull off the dirt, the grime, the debris, the pet hair, the whatever it might be. I went out there in my car today just to play with this, just to try it out, and man, I was so pleased with it. And I don't know if you can see it in the video, but inside of this, I mean, there is a lot of debris that it just picked up and pulled out of corners that I can't get to or have been trying to get stuff out of for a long time. It doesn't leave any oily residue behind. It leaves a nice, fresh, clean look to everything it touches. These aren't a single use either. These can be used multiple times, up to 3 months. But one thing you do have to remember is this cannot just be stored in your car. If you do that, it's gonna harden, it's gonna dry out pretty quickly. It is a little bit heat sensitive. And so the best thing that you can do is use it, store it inside somewhere nice, cool, and dry. And you can keep reusing this until it's no longer picking up debris, until it's darkened and you can tell that you can't really use it anymore or it's hard to knead. But the nice thing is, it comes in a 2-pack. And so if you are looking for a great way to detail your car or to pick up debris and stuff off of a keyboard or electronics or anything like that, man, check this out, give it a try. I think you're gonna love it.